Oh no.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Apple is going to have to come right here. Ooh,
You know? Hi.
Just gonna make it.
They're very stupid. They don't know how to actually make car, and the person that goes and
it's okay.
Oh my God.
Hello, kitty.
I'm sorry.
Can't you see?
Do you want to eat? Gotta get you clean.
Oh my word.
All day without you doing something bad.
Gary!
He's spicy.
Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor.
I don't like that. Oh.
Oh my god.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face. So, oh my god.
It's gonna make it.
Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here.
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
El gato para que haga su chamba con la mariposa. Honey, tap. No. Hey.
You can hear me. Oh my god! What the Aquí, amiga. No.
Third, what have you been up to? What was that sound?
Day 67 of my cat trying to scare me.
T'es gonflé, hein?
You want food?
That's how you stay. Ow!
So if Michelle starts, she gets out.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
I did. But it's not.
God, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, no!
The package up here. And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
Come on, no, Chase, move over. No. Before I got my gun.
No, you want to drink that? Lucky you drink that. You drink that, and I do not. Don't drink it.
Zero. Grab the. Oh.
No, you jumped over these.
Really just all about nourishing my body and eating.